Hey everyone, let's make tiramisu. This can be a very delicious and unique dessert for the Eid. For that, I've used brewed pure coffee, ladyfingers cookies. Originally, you should use mascarpone, but I couldn't find any, so I'm using cream cheese. Then whipped cream, half cup sugar, and vanilla essence. I'm using brew coffee pure mix. Its rich taste and irresistible aroma will make this tiramisu even better. First, we're gonna whip up some whipped cream and gradually add sugar and finally add vanilla essence. After beating the cream cheese, we're gonna slowly mix it with the whipped cream. Now it's time for layering. I'll dip the ladyfinger cookies in the brew coffee and make the first layer. Next, cream filling, and then repeat this process one more time. Now we will cover it up and keep it in the fridge overnight. Finally finished it off with cocoa powder and coffee dusting. And it's done. Serve it cold and enjoy. Eid Mubarak guys. If you guys make it, then do share your experience.